Hey, my name is Matt Fawcett. I'm here with FlatPanel Audio, and we are showing off today the LS212 subwoofer, which pairs perfectly with our DML 500s. So this LS212 subwoofer is a dual bandpass subwoofer. It is ported so that you have an octave and a half of sub range that will go anywhere from 120 hertz down to 40 hertz. It pairs perfectly well, specifically because it'll take care of the higher transients of your low end, and is super fast and detailed, just like our DML 500s. So it's an absolutely perfect sub to pair with it. We have the ability to be able to stack it together, either as a ground stack or hang it, as our hardware on the spinorama here is showing and showcasing. We use it with LEA amplifiers, which are absolutely fantastic. And it's absolutely one of my favorite subs that I've ever heard in my life, and you should definitely take a chance to listen to it. We also have a single 18 sub as well that'll pair, so we can do a three-way with the DML 500, the LS212, and the single LS118. So thanks so much for being here at InfoComm. It is fantastic to be able to show off amazing, innovative products just like this so that you can transform your audio spaces. Make sure you check us out at flatpanelaudio.com, and we will see you there.